What's up, young chemist? Mr. Rosen here. Today we're going to be thinking about the conductivity of solutions and just a little bit about our setup. Here you can see we have a ring stand and there are light bulbs. Okay, now these light bulbs, they are plugged in, and we have a cord here which is plugged into an outlet, and hanging down you can see two wires. Now, what we're going to be doing is taking each of these four solutions and submerging the two electrodes into the solution. So we have distilled water, okay, we have distilled water, we have a salt water solution, table salt, NaCl, we have a sugar water solution, and then we have a tap water sample. And for each one of them, I will take the cap off and I'm going to submerge these electrodes into the water. Okay, now to help us see, I'm going to turn the lights off in the room. Hopefully it'll help us see. So I want you to make a prediction. First one we're doing here, this is distilled water. Distilled water is just pure water, H2O. So predict, do you think that the pure water will conduct electric current or not? If you think it will conduct electric current, then when the electrodes are, the wires are placed into the water, the light bulb will light up. The circuit will close, electricity will be flowing through the solution, and the light bulb will light up. If the distilled water does not conduct electric current, then the light bulb will remain not lit up, not illuminated. All right, so make sure your predictions are written down. Here you go, distilled water, 1, 2, 3. Nothing. So pure water, distilled water, does not conduct electric current. Next one we're going to do is NaCl, table salt, dissolved in water, a salt water solution, okay, NaCl. So make your prediction, will it conduct or not? Now this is just water, it's the same thing we had before, but I've added a sprinkle of salt to it, which is dissolved. Here we go. This is salt water, NaCl, 1, 2, 3. Nice and bright. The solution conducts electric current. Electricity flows through the current, closes the circuit, allows the light bulb to light up. Okay. So the pure water did not conduct electric current. If we add a little bit of salt to it, that saltwater solution really conducts electric current well. The next one we have is water with sugar in it. Okay, now this is distilled water, and I put a different sort of white crystalline granular substance in it. Okay, sugar looks a lot like salt. Right, so I put distilled water and I put some sugar in it and dissolved. So this is a sugar water solution. Make sure you have a prediction. Will it conduct? Will it not? Here we go. This is our sugar water solution. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Does not conduct. So that's interesting, right? Pure water did not conduct. Water with some salt in it really conducted well. And then water with sugar in it did not conduct. So we need to think about what would be different between salt water and sugar water. How are those different? Why does that matter in terms of the conductivity of the solution? And then the final one is tap water. Okay, now tap water, distilled water is just H2O. Tap water is mostly water, but it has some other ions in it. Some calcium, sodium, magnesium, chloride, fluoride. These are naturally occurring ions in water. Okay? In fact, when you buy drinking water or spring water, it lists the different ions and minerals present in the water. Okay? It's not necessarily good or bad. Some things in the water could be bad, and you need to keep track on that, but our water department monitors those levels to make sure we stay safe. So here we go. Here's our tap water solution. Let's see if it conducts. Make sure you have a prediction for it. 1, 2, 3. Anything? Oh, you see a little glow there? Little bit of a glow. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see a little bit of a glow in the light bulb. Not much. If I stop there, it's gone. Put it in here. Get a little bit of current to flow there. Yep, just lighten up a little bit. A little bit of electricity will flow through there, but doesn't conduct nearly as well as the salt water did. All right. So, in summary, pure water did not conduct. Water with salt in it conducted very well. Water with sugar did not conduct. And our tap water, which is water, just like the first one, but it has a little bit of dissolved ions in it. And it conducted just a little bit. So think about the things that conducted and what didn't conduct, how they're similar, how they're different. This is conductivity of solutions.